All right, guys, we're going to put it into service mode now so we can service the rear brakes. We're starting with a key in the off position. We're going to cycle the key to the on position. Once the key is in the on position, we're going to press and hold the accelerator pedal and the emergency brake switch in the release position, which is inward. So key on, throttle pedal down, emergency brake on, and we're holding. Now we're going to cycle the key on and off while we continue to hold the pedal and the emergency brake switch. Off, back on. You can hear the motors for the emergency brakes activating. Keep holding. Exclamation mark starts flashing. Keep holding. Parking brake maintenance mode is displayed in the dash, and this little lightning bolt in the yellow circle here comes on. When you see that, you can go ahead and turn the key to the off position and release the pedal and release the emergency brake switch at that point. So we're in maintenance mode. So when you have your truck in maintenance mode with the electronic emergency brake, you can go ahead and remove the rear calipers. Once the rear calipers are released, it's okay to go ahead and push the rear caliper pistons straight in. You don't have to twist them to put them in. We just have to push them straight in. So I'll show you that. All right, we're going to take the truck out of service mode now. So we're going to start with the key off in the off position. We're going to turn the key to the on position and press the accelerator pedal. Key is on, accelerator pedal, and we're going to pull up on the emergency brake switch and hold it. While holding it, we're going to cycle the key from off to on, off, on. Continue to hold the throttle pedal and the emergency brake switch. You'll hear the motors cycle. The exclamation mark will go out in the dash, and then the service is now complete. So we can go ahead and release the pedal, release the emergency brake switch, turn the key off. We can start the truck at this time. Verify that there's no warning lights in the dash. There it is. So now we're out of service mode and we're good to go. Don't forget to pump the brake pedal before you back it out of the shop. It should be good. Thank you. Thanks for watching.